Hi guys, I'm Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a lighter, more fun look just because my last look was so dramatic. And today the star of the show is going to be the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. I've not used it yet, but I ordered it because I was so obsessed with the Cheers to the Beauty one by Colored Rain. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, what? Okay, I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get right into it. Oh, quickly, before I get started, I want to mention a product that I found literally 5 minutes ago when I was doing my eyebrows for this video. I don't like to use a pomade all the time because it takes more time and more effort, and I'm lazy. So I like pencils, but pencils definitely give a more natural vibe than a pomade. And sometimes I want like a boom Instagram brow, you know? But I found this pencil that is so pigmented, it glides on really easily. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for a beginner because like you do have to be pretty precise with it unless you like clean up with concealer. But this is the MAC Lingering Eyebrows Crayon. Pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, I'm not perfect at brows, but don't blame this product for that. So I just wanted to throw that out there that I found a product that I really like for eyebrows and I recommend it. So I'm going to start off using the Shimmer Veil kind of like liquid eyeshadow by Cover FX. This is in the color Amethyst. Looks like this. I'm just putting it on the lid of my eyes. I don't know how much I'm going to need, so we'll see. Wow, this really thins out, which is a good thing because it makes it very easy to blend, and I did not use a lot of product. I definitely recommend doing one eye first and blending all that out, because if you put the product on both eyes and then started blending one eye, the other eye would dry and you won't be able to blend as well. The big test is if it transfers up here because I have hooded eyes, but if it really dries down and stays, it won't transfer. That was successful. Now let's not ruin it with the rest of the eyeshadow. I'm going to make sure my eyes are completely dry before I start putting any other eyeshadow on top. So now I'm going to go into the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. I'm going to take this first color here. It is called Air. I'm going to take a very, very fluffy brush and go into that palette. And I'm going to just fluff this right here over the edges. There is glitter all over my face though from the Shimmer Veil eyeshadow, so just be aware of that it does fall out. Shed. Then I'm going to take Royal Prerogative, and it is right here. I always get so embarrassed, like what if I pronounce the name wrong? Guys, don't judge me, okay? Going in with also a fluffy brush. You can't judge till it's done.
Fallout, but so far it looks good.
Yeah, I know.
The white up by your eyes.
I love that you know that it's called Fallout.
I've watched your video.
So after doing that, I'm going to grab this color right here, and it is called Princess. This color reminds me so much of Makeup Geek's Cupcake. I'm going to just take some of it and then brush this over right where the Shimmer Veil is going to meet the eyeshadow. This is very fall, but I'm rather that than winter. So I'm going to apply the Shimmer Veil again because almost all of it came off. I'm going to wipe everything away, add mascara, add liner, add lashes. I'm going to be a new person when I come back. But first, I want to also point out that I'm going to be using kind of lightweight, if I can find them, kind of lighter false lashes because I want the shadow to peek through. I don't want the lashes to be overpowering the look. I'm going to start by going in with the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. It's supposed to be hydrating. I'm going to use this Clinique Chubby in the Nude Foundation Stick in 02 Abundant Alabaster. I don't remember how I felt about this. I thought it was like okay. Oh my god, it's not blending. I literally have lines on my neck. I actually like this. I can't remember why I didn't love it. It is a little hard to blend because it is really thick, so you really gotta get in there. But other than that, pretty good. I'm going to use this NARS Vanilla Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Light 2. Vanilla is the name of the shade. I don't know why I put it in like the name of the product. It's really good and it covers things up and it looks more natural than the Tarte Shape Tape, I think. I definitely recommend applying this with your fingers because I think it really warms the product up. It kind of melts it into the skin. I'm going to powder this down with the RCMA No Color Translucent Pound Top. For the lower lash line, I am taking Air and I'm going to buff that all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take Royal Prerogative, which is this color right here, and put that on my lower lash line, but tighter to my lash line. This is going to almost act as an eyeliner. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this Bronze Essentials bronzer by Beauty Basics. It does have some sparkles mixed in with it, so I'm going to try and just get the matte color. This is actually a really nice, soft, natural bronzer. I really like this brush too. This is by Luxie. It's called the Pro Precision Tapered Brush. It's in 640. I really like it because it's very, very fluffy. So you get a really light application, and that just makes bronzer and blush a lot easier, because then you don't just go, oh my god, too much product. You can like build it up, which I prefer. I'm going to be using this Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit. I'm going to be using this middle color here. It's called Limitless. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. I'm going to be taking this first color here. It is a pink pearl kind of color. It's more subtle, but I actually like that with this look since the eyes are so sparkly. For my brow bone, I am going to use the Colored Rain Cheers to the Beauty palette, and I'm going to take the first color, which is called Boutonniere. So for my inner corner, I'm going to take this color right here in the Colored Rain Cheers to the Beauty palette. It is called Crown. For my lips, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty lip liner in Muse. For lips, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Muse as well. Lastly, I'm going to put some Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Spray on just to keep it all in place. Okay, this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This shimmer veil is giving me life. It's just, I don't know if it has staying power or not, but I guess we'll find out. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye! Every time, oh, come on, I don't dance, I say you can, not trans, oh no. I'm taking this Clinique Lower, I got on my eye. Now I'm going to put somebody once told me, oh,